Hello, in this video we're gonna check the camera zoom on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. We're gonna try to check the quality of the zoom as well as the maximum camera zoom. So, in the photo mode, we have 12 megapixels camera and 50 megapixels camera that we can change over here. In 50 megapixels, we cannot really zoom in and zoom out, so there is no point of that. So let's switch to 12 megapixels. And now we can zoom in up to 10. So 10x is the maximum zoom. And immediately I can see those grains that we have usually when we zoom in with the camera. If we zoom in by using ×4, then the grain is not really that visible. It's definitely in a little bit better quality, but 10x is definitely too much. So let's start from the beginning. Let's use x1 at first, and let's slowly zoom in. We're gonna try ×2. I would say the zoom looks good. I'm trying to get the focus. And, well, the focus is unfortunately not there. It seems to be quite difficult to get the focus. So I would say that's a bad sign. Perhaps if we use macro mode, then it looks better. So let's keep zooming in. This time we're gonna go with ×4. The quality, of course, got a little bit worse. That is nothing unusual, really. Let me move it up a little bit. And yeah, I think, oh, it actually got better focus on ×4 than in ×2. So if you wish to take photos of small objects, then definitely the focus works better for ×4. All right, let's keep going. We are now in ×6.6 and the quality definitely drops. We can see some imperfections. I'm not sure if this is visible on the camera, but I can tell definitely that the zoom quality get worse. And 10x is definitely a pretty bad in terms of quality, which is not surprising. Like I said, this is pretty normal. And these grains are visible pretty much on every camera. Now that I look at it, if I use zoom ×6, these grains are still a little bit visible, but not as much as using ×10. So I would say it's not too bad if you use like up to ×4. It's pretty decent, but of course the more you zoom in, the quality gets worse, and the ×10 quality is definitely nothing to brag about. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!